Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert picture in Word without affecting text. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the Insert menu and click Picture option. Then choose a picture from our file. Now we can see here we insert a picture but affected text. We click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Now we can see here we insert this picture but not affecting text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.